Greetings, the Grand Mafia players! Are you tired of spending many hours trying to gather enough gold in the Grand Mafia game? Well, welcome to my video tutorial where I will show you how I got an insane amount of gold for free with this awesome the Grand Mafia hack. As you can see, I've already used this and it works great. My unlimited gold arrived within seconds. But how does it work? Let's go back to the beginning, where I'll show you the whole process in this step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, we need to check our in-game username. We will need this information in the next steps. Then, open your internet browser and go to the website called appgen.pro. As you can see, this website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Now search for the Grand Mafia and click on it. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. On this page, select your platform and enter your username. Now wait for a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this mod is completely safe and undetectable, so your account will remain secure. Next, choose the amount of gold you want and click a button that says Generate. After confirming your selection, the website will start injecting the mod. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you will see a message at the end letting you know that the injection has been completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device, and you are ready to go. However, you may need to complete one more step before you can finish. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it's usually simple: verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this mod. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick. Just click this button, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done the verification. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I finished the verification process. It took me a few minutes, which I think is not too long, and totally worth it. Once you are done all necessary actions, the whole process is completed, and when you launch the game, resources start skyrocket. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If so, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.